And the Westbrooke Village apartments are now being rebuilt after being demolished by the Memorial Day tornadoes. 2
News reporter Devrel Bogart takes us inside as she follows the tornado recovery there.
24 units will be opening this week, with 48 more units coming soon. The property owners say they had the opportunity to invest somewhere else, but they wanted to stay right here and rebuild in the Trotwood community.
In the kitchen, you're going to see that we have updated all the cabinets, countertops,